Boy, better not. Right. Let's see who was here tonight. No Raymond. Backtrack and check like that.
Ni Jone. Well, itu ngaku satu remi. Enggak sih, ini kok tuh. Arong kena taksi.
Oi, YouTube my flip-flop.
Ayo, I stole this. Well, I think look set on me, eh?
Rather, give my flip-flop.
What's this?
It's nothing. I was again just having some fun. We took some guys with flow. What? We just took some guys with flow. We didn't even take any money from him.
Do you guys know who you stole from?
Yeah, some old guy.
That was Jone Wise. Whenever we needed to show our family strength at any function, we sent Johnny. He was the one to outgrog anybody. Anytime, any place. We had several names for him. The Carbonator, Black Belt, Tatawaka. I once saw him grog with his tamales. 15 of his tamales. They tried to outdrink him. 2 days later, he was the only one left. Then one day he said he's out. Said his na asked him to stop. And he did. We let him go. Until you stole the precious flip-flops that Na gifted him and made a stupid live video. And now the whole world knows you did it.
Ta, let me fix this.
Fix this? Sir, how?
I'll show you Mook and Grog.
So my boy, you can't even grog until the morning. John is going to come for you. You must wait. That's the only thing you can do. Now get out of here. Yo, call in everyone. Expect company.
Sorry, Na, but I'm gonna have to do this. For you. For me.
What you doing here? What you want?
It's your last chance to give back my flip-flop. Because it's up to you. This gang can crawl home or walk home.
I already buttoned that thing on Facebook for these headphones.
Virtale. 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 Zawiritale. 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 Virtale. I have no quarrel with you, Brass.
And yet you attack my son. You attack him, you attack me.
We've settled our past already. We don't have to do this.
You think I'm gonna let you go after all you've done? No, this ends tonight. Just you and me, Johnny.
You and me.
Hey, Tanwa. Oi, no chaser.
No chase.
What happened, Johnny? We were professional about this.
Your son made it personal.
It seems we're evenly matched.
Not yet.
Auza, Soro.
Ion.
Oi, you got my flip-flop.
Who is this?
I am coming to get it.
What are you gonna do? Huh? What you gonna do? Huh? What you gonna do?